know from the title of this video, today we're going to be talking about another Fitbit Versa band. And this is probably one of my most favorite bands for the Versa, actually any watch, just in general. And it is the Milanese Loop, and we're going to talk about that today, so stay tuned. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. I'm your host, Original Dobo, and if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of this video. Today, I am talking about the Fitbit Versa band, and this is a Milanese Loop, and it is a very, very nice band. It's super, super classy. This video probably does this band absolutely no justice, but I'm going to go ahead and take it off of my wrist now so I can give you all a better look as to, actually what this band is. So at first glance, you would think this is just your normal, everyday, standardized metal band. But if we look closer, it is actually constructed of, ew, that's hair. It's actually constructed of solid stainless steel, and it's very well made. And there is a super nice magnetic clasp that's in here, and I'm just going to pull it. And if I drop it on there, it's a very, very strong magnetic clasp. I'll bring it up closer to the camera for you all to see. So very nice clasp. I like the way it feels. It's super light on the wrist, and it's almost like it's not even there. The best part about this Milanese band is that it doesn't pull on your arm hairs. When the Apple Watch first launched, I picked up a Milanese Loop, and it was great, but periodically as I was working out or doing whatever, it would like pinch my arm hair. And I'm not a very hairy person. I don't know why I felt the need to say it, but it pinched my hair and it was annoying. But this band, it's sort of like constructed in a little bit tighter manner, which that doesn't happen. It doesn't feel like it's actually pulling at my arm hairs. There's a lot about this band I like. One, the construction's really super nice. It looks great on the wrist. It feels light. The magnetic clasp is super strong. It's all stainless steel. However, there is a downfall to this band, and ultimately it boils down to how you get this band on and off. So this band is a pain in the neck to get on and off. It's super hard, and a lot of it's because you can see it's a solid loop, and because it's a solid loop, you have these little clasps in here, and I'm just going to pinch this off. Funny enough, taking it off is easy, but actually putting it on is a pain in the neck, which that's most things. So it comes off on one end, and then you have another piece here. The good thing is that the piece that goes into the watch is super strong, so that's a good thing. Once it's out, you can see we have the watch out of the way, but we have these bands. The other problem is that these pins, while they are replaceable, they aren't actually held in there statically, which means they will flop out. You will have to be careful with them, putting them back in. But you can see it's really hard to get back on. So basically, I slide one end in here, and this is where I start cursing, because you can see it's just a pain in the neck. It's just a bad design. And this is not the band's fault. This is Fitbit for providing us a crappy solution. Now, the first portion of this goes in really super easy, and you can see I've got it in there. That's no problem. But now when we got to go around and do the loop, this is where it comes to be a problem. So let's go ahead, put that one in there. And you got to sort of like, you're like really struggling with it. But once it's on, I promise it's totally worth it. It's probably my favorite band in all, but it's just a pain in the ass to get on. So I'm going to put that in here, and you can see that this little clip wants to come out, and you just gotta, you're golden. I've done this a few times, so I've got a lot of practice with it, but I sort of put it on an angle, get my fingernail in there, and then once it's in, you're on. So there you go. I didn't tell you how much it cost. It's literally $8.99 for this watch strap, $8.99, and I think that's an awesome buy. It's probably the best band that you can find right now. That's a metal band. They have these in a variety of colors. They have it in black, pink, whatever, rose gold, whatever floats your boat, they have them. I'll go ahead and include a link in the description below if you want to check out this band for yourself. I think it's worth it. For the price, I don't think you can go wrong. Anyways, that's going to do it for this video. I will catch you guys next time. As always, stay original. And if, again, you haven't hit the subscribe button, make sure you do so you don't miss any of my future videos just like this. I will see you next time. Bye.